We all think we know the story, the classic tale etched in our minds. Peter Parker, the quintessential high school student, struggling with the everyday trials and tribulations of teenage life. And then, the fateful bite from a radioactive spider, an event that would forever alter the course of his life, granting him extraordinary superpowers, abilities beyond the realm of ordinary humans. End of story, a simple origin, right? A clean-cut tale of science gone awry, leading to the birth of a hero. But what if the real story, the narrative lurking beneath the surface behind Spider-Man's creation, the inspiration for his powers, is something way darker, something far more complex and unsettling than we ever imagined, something pulled straight out, not from the realm of fiction of a government lab, a clandestine operation shrouded in secrecy? Here's what I mean. Let's delve into the shadows and uncover a potential truth. Back in the 1950s, during the height of the Cold War, the CIA ran something. A program so controversial, so ethically questionable called MK Ultra. A name that still sends shivers down the spines of those who know its history. Yeah, the same program, the infamous project you've probably heard about. The one that sparked countless conspiracy theories and fueled public distrust. LSD, the psychedelic drug at the heart of many experiments, mind control, the ultimate goal of manipulating human behavior, hypnosis, all tools in their arsenal to unlock the secrets of the human mind. But that's not all. MK Ultra was just the tip of the iceberg. There was another project, a more obscure and even more disturbing endeavor. Operation Midnight Climax. A name that evokes images of late-night thrillers and clandestine encounters. Sounds like a bad movie, right? A cheesy B-movie plot ripped from the pages of Pulp Fiction. But this was real. This actually happened, documented in declassified files and whispered in hushed tones. They weren't just trying to subtly influence thoughts or manipulate emotions to mess with people's minds. Their ambitions were far grander, far more audacious. Some scientists wanted, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a disregard for ethical boundaries, to push things even further, to explore the uncharted territories of human potential, unlocking hidden abilities, dormant powers lying latent within the human psyche, mutating human potential, altering the very fabric of our being, even changing biology itself, redefining what it means to be human. Radiation, the invisible force that could both heal and destroy, chemicals, concoctions brewed in secret, with unknown and potentially devastating effects, stress, pushing individuals to their breaking points, to see what they were truly capable of, all fair game, no holds barred in the pursuit of scientific advancement, all in the name, justified by the looming threat of the Cold War, of national security, the ends justifying the means, no matter the cost. Now think about Peter Parker, the awkward teenager transformed into a superhero for a second. Really consider the implications of his transformation. His transformation, the changes he undergoes after the spider bite, isn't just physical. It's not just about enhanced strength and agility. Suddenly he's smarter. His intellect sharpens, his mind becomes a powerful tool. He's confident. His personality blossoms, shedding his insecurities and embracing his newfound abilities. He has those spider senses. An almost precognitive awareness of danger. A sixth sense that guides his actions. It's almost like the spider bite, the catalyst for his transformation, just activated something, triggered a response that was already present within him, that was already inside him, a latent potential waiting to be awakened. Here's where it gets weird. The line between fiction and reality begins to blur. Reports from some, accounts from individuals who participated in these experiments, real-life test subjects, paint a disturbing picture of the potential consequences. Say they experienced crazy things, side effects that mirrored aspects of Spider-Man's transformation. Heightened senses, an amplified awareness of their surroundings, strange visions, distorted perceptions of reality, even hallucinations, blurring the lines between what was real and what was imagined. About transformation, a sense of their bodies changing, evolving in unexpected ways. Some even described in chilling detail, feeling less human, a detachment from their own humanity after these government experiments. A profound and lasting impact on their sense of self. So what if that radioactive spider, the seemingly random event that granted Peter Parker his powers, wasn't just a comic book gimmick? What if it represented something far more significant? What if it was a metaphor? A symbolic representation of the hidden truths lurking beneath the surface? A warning about what? The dangers and ethical implications of unchecked scientific ambition, those secret labs, the clandestine operations conducted in the shadows, were actually doing? The true extent of their experiments, and their potential consequences. And get this, The timing of it all adds another layer of intrigue to the story. Early Spider-Man comics came out, burst onto the scene, captivating audiences with its unique blend of action and relatable characters, right around the time coinciding with a period of heightened secrecy and paranoia. Rumors about Operation Midnight Climax, whispers of unethical experiments and mind-altering substances started leaking underground, spreading through the counterculture and fueling public suspicion. Just a coincidence? A mere alignment of events with no deeper connection? Or a subtle nod? A knowing wink to those in the know, to what was really going on? A veiled commentary on the hidden agendas and secret operations behind closed doors? A reflection of the anxieties and uncertainties of the Cold War era? So now let me ask you, to truly consider the possibilities, what if Peter Parker, the beloved hero we all know and admire, wasn't bitten by a spider? What if that was just the cover story but chosen for an experiment, selected as a candidate for a top-secret government program? What if Spider-Man's powers, his extraordinary abilities that defy the limits of human potential, were inspired by the side effects, the unforeseen and unintended consequences of a real government project? A project shrouded in secrecy and fueled by Cold War paranoia? Next time we'll dig even deeper, venturing further into the rabbit hole of government secrets, into what the government, what those clandestine organizations, was really trying to mutate back then. What were their true objectives? Was Spider-Man, the friendly neighborhood hero, just a comic book hero, a figment of imagination brought to life on the pages of a comic book, or a shadow cast, a distorted reflection of a darker reality by something much more sinister? A conspiracy that reaches into the highest echelons of power? Stay curious, keep questioning the official narratives and seeking the truth, and stay tuned for part 2. The truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered.